Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, in the previous video we did the vowels and consonants, right? And we did where we have to use a and where we have to use an, right? Let's recap once again. A is used with the consonants. For example, A is used with the consonants. For example, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, like this, right? And an is used with vowels like A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels do we have? We have A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels, right? And A, E, I, O, U doesn't means जहाँ पे A, E, I, O, U लिखा है हम वहीं and लगाएंगे. No. The thing is that the sound should also be like A, E, I, O, U. Is that clear? Right? Okay. So now let's start with the video now. Alright students. So here we have an exercise related to using a and an. A and an are basically known as the articles, right? Okay, so now let's move on to the first one. What is a picture? It is a picture of a cat. So which sound is coming? K. K is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, right you are. It's a consonant. K. C. C is not a vowel, right? Then what we supposed to write over here? A cat. Next, elephant. So now what is the sound? A. A. A, E, I, O, U. E says A, right? E. So what we supposed to write here? An elephant, right? Next is cake. So what kind of sound is coming? K. So what we supposed to write here? A or an? A. Yes. Why A? Because C is a consonant. And with C, which sound is coming? K. C says K. K, K, cake. So a cake. Because it is 1 in number. Next. Candy. एक candy की बात हो रही है. We are not talking about more than one candy. Right? So A or an? A, because C is a consonant. C says K, 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 candy. So K is not a vowel. It's a consonant. So we will write a candy. Next, egg. E says A. So E is a vowel, right? And here we are talking about one egg. So what we supposed to write here? An egg. Next is tree. So tree. So T is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, right you are. It's a consonant. So what we supposed to write here? A. Why a? Because here we are talking about one tree, and second thing is T is a consonant. Is that clear? Next. I. Here we are talking about one I, and E is a vowel. So with vowel, what we supposed to write here? An I. Next, ball. B says B, and B is a consonant. And here we are talking about single vowel, right? Here we are talking about one vowel. So what we supposed to write here? A ball. Next, a book. A book. एक book की बात हो रही है. And what is the initial word? What is the initial alphabet of this word is B. So B is a consonant. So that's why we will write a book. Next is orange. Next is orange. So O is a vowel. So what we supposed to write here? An orange. Why an? First of all, O is a vowel, and second thing is here we are talking about a single orange, one orange, right? Next is eraser. Eraser. So what is the initial sound of this word is a. Eraser, right? So a is a vowel. So that's why we will write an. Why an? Because here we are talking about one eraser. Next, dog. Here we are talking about single dog, one dog. And these are consonants. So a dog. Alright, next is queen. So what we supposed to write here? Q. Q is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's a consonant. Yes. So what we supposed to write here? Here we are talking about single queen. One queen की बात कर रहे हैं. And second thing is Q is a consonant. So we will write a queen. Next, octopus. O is a vowel. And here we are talking about one octopus. So an octopus. Next is cap. So what we supposed to write here? A or an? Yes, very good kids. A cap. Why a cap? First of all, we are talking about single cap. And second thing is C is a consonant. So that's why a cap. Next is robot. So here we are talking about one robot. And second thing is R is a consonant. So that's why a robot. Next is quilt. Again, Q is a consonant and here we are talking about one quilt. So, a quilt. Next again, ball. Here we are talking about one ball and B is a consonant. So, a ball. Next is dog. How many dogs are there? There are one dog. Here is only one dog and here D is a consonant. So, a dog. Next is pencil. So, P is a consonant. And second thing is here we are talking about single pencil, one pencil. So, a pencil. Okay, students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.